Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to make carrot oil, and we will see two methods we can use in making this carrot oil. Remember that carrot oil is used to lighten the skin and to clear dark spots. So we'll start by cleaning our carrots, and then we'll wash and grate them and separate for the two methods. I'll separate the grated carrot into two, spread one quantity in a tray and dry it over under the sun. For the second part, I will put it in a frying pan and add some olive oil to it and let it fry, if I can say so, or cook, so that the vitamins and all the nutrients from the carrot will get into the oil. I'll do this at a medium to low heat, and remember that you want the carrot to be completely dry so that your oil will not contain any water. At this point, we can see that the carrot is dry, so it's time to remove it from the stove. And remember that you have to take out the oil or drain the oil when the mixture is too hot, because if you leave it to cool down, the carrot will absorb the oil, what we don't want. After squeezing out the oil from the carrot, we'll let the oil cool down completely, then transfer it into an airtight container. And that is it for the first method. Now let's see how we can make our carrot oil using the second method. We'll now go and check on our carrot that was drying, and to make sure that the carrot is ready to be used for this oil, we'll just put our hands and check. If the hand is wet, then we let it dry again. If the hand is dry, that means we can proceed with the oil, because we don't want to have any form of water, given that we are not frying this method, so we have to be very careful so that water doesn't remain in the oil. I'll just add some olive oil to the dry grated carrots and shake it so that such that the oil covers the carrot completely. And remember that you can use any oil of your choice. When I mean any oil, I mean any oil which you use for your body, like almond oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil. It depends on you. In this case, I'm using olive oil because that's what I like. We'll now use a double boiler method and let the mixture sit there for about 30 minutes, and then our oil is ready.